Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl, Natural Canadian Girl, and today I'm back with another video. This time I'll be doing a crochet braid video. It's a braidless crochet braid. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am not the best at doing cornrows, and so I avoid them at all costs. So today I'll be using the braid from Model, the crochet braids from Model. This is the one curl, and it is a spiral one curl in the color 02530, and I will be using a crochet wig cap as well, just for added security. So I started off with freshly washed hair. This is just 4 jumbo twists that I twist and just stuck away the ends with 2 bobby pins. I'm just applying some edge control to my edges just to have them laid, because I will be leaving those out for this crochet style. So I'm just laying my edges, getting them sleek and ready for this style.
Throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. When a heart gives way, then a king can change. You the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave, I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine.
Once I have it sleek to my liking, I'll just apply the braiding crochet cap. Again, I'm adding this to my hair for just added security, and you will see that I crochet each crochet. I'll do it through the wig cap as well as my hair. And I see on YouTube that a lot of persons are concerned that if they just do the braidless crochet on their hair directly, then the plaits may unwind. But so I'm just using this for added security. This is what the hair looks like. There are a zillion crochet braids video on YouTube. This is just the crochet needle. Open it. Let's do a view from the back. So you basically just slide the crochet needle through the wig cap and your hair, attach the hair to it, remove the needle, and you do a knot. I do 2 knots or I do 1 knot. It depends. That's just your preference. And again, you'll see you insert the needle through the wig cap and the hair. You hook the crochet hair to the needle, close it, and that's it. You do a knot. So that's pretty much what I'll do. I will do the invisible knot at the front, where you, instead of pulling both strands through the loop, you pull one, and that you will see at the end of the video will give a seamless look. So that's it. That's just one of the sections from one of the packs. Love this color. I miss my red hair. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment any questions you have. I'll try my best to answer in below. Please to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please to hit the subscribe button. I'm hoping to get to 5K subscribers by the end of summer. So I'm gonna be flooding your notification with some protective styles this summer. I hope everybody is staying safe. It has been a trying year. 2020 has been one of those trying years for all of us. But I hope everybody is doing safe and well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye.
Wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know